Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open your Tabby account in the UAE. You can use the Tabby app and then they'll prompt you to first select your country. So here you choose the United Arab Emirates for UAE, okay? So you choose this and then you proceed. Now they'll ask you to either log in or sign up or just skip to the stores, right? Just go ahead and click here and you can go ahead and enter your phone number. So in this case we've chosen UAE as the country, so enter your phone number and then hit on continue. They'll actually send you a one-time code and OTP to verify that phone number. It's just 4 digits. And I want you to enter that code right here. Then click on continue. And what you'll have to do now is, if you're a first-time user, you will be required to provide details for identity verification. And this typically involves submitting an image of the backside of your Emirates ID, and then you just enter the details of your valid UAE debit or credit card that will be used for international or installment payments. And then they'll review your application instantly usually, and you'll have a balance. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.